Hey everybody, Crafting Journey here, that Journey chick on Instagram. I am super excited and I have been teasing you guys for a while about a brand new event starting January 1st. And that is now being called Ticket to Ride Destination Paris. And the reason we're calling that is because there may be future destinations as well. And my co host for this event is none other than
Hi, everybody.
Katz, who is dressed as a conductor today. Apparently, she's sticking her head out the train window. All aboard. We're going
Toot,
to
toot.
Paris. Yes, yes. Super excited for this event. It is being sponsored by Diamond Art Club. I am
Yeah.
so thrilled to have them as a sponsor. And Cheryl's going to be helping me out. She's going to be my co-host both here and on Facebook and on Instagram. So here is how you guys can participate in this event. We'll also be in the chat if you guys have any questions during this premiere. So I'm going to run a banner here so it has a little bit more information. So let's just, does that make the banner bigger? I don't think so. Okay. Anyway, so here's how you participate in the event. And it is open globally for the Diamond Art Club grand prizes. That'll be at the end. There are multiple prize contributors that we're trying to lock up, but you'll get to know who those are as we get closer to the event and how you can get some of those prizes. They
Yeah.
may not be available internationally, but definitely the grand prizes sponsored by Diamond Art Club will be available internationally. So here's how you enter. You have to go join the Facebook group, which is called Ticket to Ride Destination. Or is it just Ticket to Ride? I don't remember. It's Ticket to Ride, right?
Yes. Because
Oh,
they can pick a
I,
destination of their own choice.
and it would help to put the correct thing up there. Ticket to Ride Destination. There we go. All right. So that is how you enter. You go and under the file tab, there's some tabs up at the top of the Facebook. And if you're not familiar, one of them says files. Look under that tab. It will have what we're calling your passport application because you have to have a passport to get yourself over to Paris to see the Notre Dame, which is what
Yes.
Cheryl and are going to be painting, and I hope many of you are as well. It is not certainly not exclusive to that painting. You can paint any destination of your dreams, but it must be a destination. I will say that a big eyed girl is not a destination, neither is a car. But anyway, someplace you've dreamed of going. So it has to be a destination, something that you really value enough that you got it in the form of a diamond painting. We will have an Instagram that you can post your project to. You post it on January 1st, on or after January 1st, you will post
Must be a
your
new
project.
painting.
Yeah, a new painting. Just kit it up. Post
Yes.
your kitting up. No rules laid
Licensed.
down. Let's because we all want to judge on your kitting up, right? No.
I don't think so. But a
Who
licensed
kits up
image,
that?
please. Yeah.
No. So put a picture there. You can put it on Instagram. You can put it in the Facebook group, but you must fill out the passport application, and then we will let you know that we've received that application, that it is complete. And then as the event progresses, you will be able to earn tickets to excursions. Yes, we will have excursions where you earn tickets. These are little fun games, fun things that we do. We'll either be doing them on Instagram, in the Facebook group, or during my lives on Sundays at 11 Central Time. Crafting Journey Lives. Yes. Anything you want to add?
Just it's an honor system. Please have a licensed bit of artwork, whatever you're going to paint, whatever your destination. Choose something that, there's a reason why it should be something of a memory, maybe somewhere you'd like to go, something like that, because it's one of the ways you might be able to earn more tickets on your excursion. And you can put it's so interactive. You can put those tickets toward whatever prize you may like to go for. More explanation in detail will be coming later, but this is going to be fun.
That's what makes this event different than any other event you've taken place in the diamond painting community. You can save up all your tickets. You can put your tickets on one prize. You can put your tickets over all the prizes, spread them out. It's up to you. You just have to let us know. We'll put your name on whatever wheel for whatever prize. If you want 3 tickets on the prize wheel for that particular prize, or you want all your tickets on that prize wheel, you just let me know. I'll put all your tickets on that prize wheel. And that's how you spend your tickets. So you get the choice of prize here.
You can take all your tickets and put them all for the one prize you think you must have for that best chance. Well, Diamond Art Club's gonna, yeah, for sure. They're very special. I really want to say thank you to DAC for doing this. They were amazing. So I really want to say thank you for that. Shout out to be sure. And keep an eye. This is just to let you guys know, go and, get your sitters, get your suitcases dusted off, because we're going on a trip to wherever your painting gets us to go, and we're going to all hear about it. And the point is, we have prizes from some amazing people from the community, which all will be spelled out before or during the beginning of the event, which will all be posted in the Facebook group and elsewhere. So this is your way of at least getting it started. Get your babysitter, get your dog sitter, or your kitty sitter, and let's go.
So what our hope is that everybody is able to participate. If you want to use your project for more than one event that's occurring in the community, you certainly can do that, as long as you're following the rules of that particular events. Yes, of course. And don't forget to save room in your suitcase for diamond painting trays, pens,
souvenirs,
lots of souvenirs, anything you can think of that has anything to do with diamond painting, cover minders, drills, ABs, whatever.
Stuff to put in the drills. I mean, stuff to put in the pen. Oh my goodness. Anyway, you'll love it.
So it's going to be one heck of an event. So I hope you guys join us. If you have questions, we will be available after this premiere. We will go live in the Facebook group as we let you all enter. Just come on over. There are no questions that you have to answer to enter the Facebook group. Just join the Facebook group. We'll help you find the passport application. It's just a Google Doc. Don't let the word passport scare you. It's just a Google Doc. It just tells you the rules. It asks you a few simple questions, and basically that's it. So we're going to want to know, where are you going to post your picture? Is it going to be posted on Instagram? Is it going to be posted in the Facebook group? Just
where to send the prize.
Yeah,
you need to know that you are who you say you are, so somebody else can't claim your prize. Just kind of thing to keep everybody honest, and we know where to send stuff. So.
And we are really counting on you guys to treat each other with mutual respect, fairness, because any kind of funny business, bullying, general unpleasantness, none of that will be tolerated, and we will boot you out the side of the
train. We'd have to get the conductor involved. We don't want that.
Shipped off the train, or the plane, or whatever.
A parachute.
DB Cooper, you're out the door.
No, everyone's gonna support one another for their choice of what they're painting and how they choose to paint it, and that's going to come up too, with some interesting, fun ways to add to the paintings, and it's going to be great. Just keep an eye out for the details, more details to come, and get your ticket to ride.
January 1st. That's the plane leaves January 1st. The train leaves. She's going to conduct the train. I'm flying the plane.
Trains, planes, automobiles.
One you choose. All right.
We've got a ticket to ride, and we do care.
Bye, everybody. Take care.